Hey guys, welcome to a quick video on how to clean your mouse pads. I've been looking at my mouse pad and it's been looking bloody horrible recently. Being a labourer, I get all my paint and shit inside the and amongst the fibres, as you can see here. That's the best way to tell if you have a dirty mouse pad. Just give it a quick scratch and it will show right up. First things first is you want to soak it in warm water and give it a good wipe down. I like to give it a really good scrub in the pre-wash just to get all the dirt out of it as much as I can. I'll show you the rag here. It's pretty filthy after just the first little pre-wash. Now we're going to be getting into a wash. Use a gentle soap. I just use the liquid for clothing, but you could use like a body wash or something like that if you don't have anything that you could use at the time. If you don't have a microfiber cloth, just use a sponge. Nothing too abrasive, and same thing, circular motions. Give it a really good scrub. Don't forget to flip it over and give the other side a bit of a wipe down too. It is rubber, but you can just use the same microfiber. Give it a rinse down once you've washed it. I like to give it a double rinse just to make sure I get all the soap out and any loose dirt that might still be in amongst the fibres. Now's also a good time to have a look over it and see if you need to give it another quick wash again, just to make sure that you've got all the dirt out of it. Let that bad boy dry for a little while. And there you go, she's looking new. Give it a bit of a scratch just to see what it's like, and it is pretty clean. Don't forget to like and subscribe please guys. I do a little bit of DIY here and there, things like that. This was just a quick clean your mouse video. Cheers.